Hey, friends, another episode on how to master your mentality. Today, we're going to talk about, is there a right way to worry? And if so, how do you do it? Well, now, this conversation stems from just had a birthday party this past weekend for my girlfriend, and I was going to meet a whole bunch of her family and friends that I hadn't met before. And I wanted to make a good impression, and in years past, something like this leading up to it, I would worry. But I would worry about things that would go wrong, about how I'd embarrass myself or say the wrong things or spill a drink and stutter and mumble. And now that all happened still, and probably more so because I was worrying the wrong way. Kind of as the years went by, I learned a better, more effective way of doing it, and that's what I want to share today. So, really, it's about worrying the right way, how to take a spin on positivity. Now, worrying ultimately still is a waste of time. But if you can do it in a way to where you're constantly thinking about only good things that's going to happen, it's going to actually set you up for way more easy fulfillment and success. So by doing this, let me tell you what it looks like. So for example, your mind starts racing, thinking about, for me, this upcoming party. All right, so as I was thinking about it, instead of thinking about how I look like a jackass, instead I just imagined everybody having a good time, everybody laughing, getting together, and I was just right there laughing with them. You know what I mean? Kind of social butterfly. I put my own spin on things, just as you can in your imagination. So before it actually happens, for anything that you're a little stressed about, you can really elaborate on all the fine points that you want to do, that you want others to perceive you as. And if you do that, the more and more you'll get better, and the more and more you'll be able to actualize it. See, when I said before, I used to think about me mumbling and stuttering and spilling drinks. I still do that. I do that, a lot, but I'm able to recover from it because I'm not stuck worrying in that cyclic nature. And so if you spill a drink, instead of getting so bummed out and thinking, oh my God, they hate me, I might as well just leave. Yep, that's it. Break up with the girlfriend or family. Friends don't like me. Nobody likes me. I'm a loser. I'm a bum. And you can take that path down to depression really quick. Or you can just have that positive spin on things. You spill that drink, ah, shit. I'm clumsy. Whatever you got to say, you pick up the mess. You put the pieces back together. If you're mumbling and a stuttering and a sputtering, take a breath. Notice everybody else makes mistakes. You do too. As you're not trying to be perfect, you're just trying to get better. And so when you do this, it takes a lot of stress off you and you're able to enjoy the party instead of, oh God, I don't want to talk to anybody because I don't want to look like a fool. I'm going to sit by myself, not actually add value to conversations. So you're not shining your light. The whole point of this channel is to help you shine your light and to gain the confidence and courage and skills to do that. Now, I have a tip that's going to help you, but before I do, if you like this or you want to get invited to that next party, drop a like, a comment, share with a buddy, and we'll get this party going. Now, the number one tip I can give you to help you worry right is going to be when you find yourself aware that you're worrying the wrong way, negative thinking about what could go wrong, you're going to literally tell yourself, stop. And then you're going to replace it with a positive image, a positive thought that could happen. Instead of worrying what could wrong, what could go right. You start doing this, your entire psychology starts to change. You start to have a more positive outlook, and all these little mishaps and spills along the way become minuscule to the amount of fulfillment that you get in every day. So, if you want more integral mindset coaching, please click on that link below. We'll set up an appointment. And until next time, friends, keep mastering your mentality.